In this video, we are going to introduce our framework for augmenting virtual agents in real crowd videos. Our framework consists of two subsystems. First, we process the given video file by stabilizing each frame for better detection. We then detect and track pedestrians in each frame. Then we project the pedestrians in order to simulate them as simple three-dimensional models. Augmented virtual agents move without colliding with the real pedestrians, with the usage of a collision detection and avoidance algorithm. Our framework also provides a graphical user interface. Because the video stream might contain some disruption, it needs to be stabilized for a successful detection. Video stabilization works with the concept of homography, which is the correspondence of points on a planar surface in different camera angles. A reference frame is used to stabilize each target frame in the video. The points, features, that will be used for homography are extracted from the reference frame. Points are also extracted from the target frame and matched with the corresponding points from the reference frame using Lucas-Gonod tracking algorithm. The resulting homography between the reference and target frames is then multiplied with the target frame, to stabilize it according to the reference frame. Background subtraction is applied to the current frame of interest, to minimize the area where the pedestrians need to be searched. Background subtraction extracts the foreground objects, which are pedestrians. We only need to search the areas that include foreground objects, because the background regions do not contain any active pedestrians. We cannot detect static pedestrians, such as the ones sitting on a bank. They are treated as part of the non-navigable area for the simulation purposes. In order to detect the pedestrians, we use a histogram of oriented gradient-based pedestrian detector. We use hog-based detector on regions containing our pedestrians. The detected agents are shown in red rectangles at each frame as they are processed. A tracker object is used to combine the detection information from consecutive frames. By calculating the positional and visual scores between the detectors and trackers, an association is found between them. As long as a tracker is associated to a detector, it stays active. As can be seen from the video, the trackers sometimes lose the pedestrian they are associated. But they are able to reconnect, when their association score becomes high enough. The video processing subsystem appends the data about the detection window of each tracker to a text file. We project the pedestrians to the simulation environment by sending a ray from the camera, through the detection window of the tracker in a particular frame, which is extracted from the text file. The intersection point of the ray with the navigable area is the current position of the agent. In the upper left, a pedestrian found in the video is projected as a simple, green 3D model. In the other images, the gathering and separation of a pair of projections are shown where the real pedestrians are represented as green models. Virtual agents are created and controlled by the user to interact with the projected agents. We use various male and female models with different garments to increase the realism of the simulation. For collision detection and avoidance between real and virtual agents, we use Reciprocal Velocity Obstacles, RVO. Here, a group of selected virtual agents are directed by the user to go between several real agents. The crowd tends to separate when the real agents come inside, because the simulation only controls the motion of virtual agents. Our framework provides functionalities to the user to control virtual agents, modify the collision parameters, pause, resume, save and load video, toggle visibility of each agent type and see the total number of collisions. User can also adjust the camera,